It's doing a lot, to say the least. So we have all the heavy rain. We have flash flood warnings in effect. We've seen some spots up to 10 inches or more of rain so far. We have intense wind that's knocking out power. I'm seeing more and more reports. I'm just catching up on those of large trees down in various parts of Houston and the greater Houston area. And that's probably why there's power out to more than 1 million customers right now. And then we also have a tornado warning that I want to take you to, although it may have just expired. But let's switch over to a closer look at radar. We'll investigate it. And that's kind of the nature of what we're going to see out of all this. When you have these this twisting motion in the atmosphere, you're always going to see with landfalling tropical systems that potential for tornadoes. And just a few moments ago, we had a tornado warning near and north of Bolivar Peninsula. It looks like that warning has expired. National Weather Service not seeing anything now that's indicating a possible tornado there. There is a tornado watch in effect, though, until 10 a.m., meaning these bands of rain still can produce these little spin-ups where there might be a brief, fast-moving tornado. And they're going to be really difficult to detect just because there's so much happening, a lot of rain, just a lot of strong wind, even outside of possible tornadoes happening right now. So again, we've got the heavy rain, we've got the wind. You can see the center of the storm right now is right around Fort Bend County, right there just south of Sugar Land. It's still a Category 1 hurricane as of last check, with sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. Here's a look at current wind gusts, and now we've got a gust, hurricane force gust, 76 miles per hour at the Hobby Airport. We've got some 40s, some 50s out there. Another thing I said earlier is that it's just kind of the nature of this situation. We're not going to get data probably for the rest of the day today, I would imagine, for these weather reporting stations south where the strongest winds were. We had gusts over 80 miles per hour, even up to maybe 90 to 92 when the storm made landfall, and that knocked out some of our data down here. So we can't tell you what those current wind gusts are south, but safe to assume they're rather strong and damaging winds across a large part of the area right now. Now, as we start at this point and go forward on our computer model, it's showing these forecast wind gusts just in that tropical storm force range for the most part. Notice it puts a 78, for example, over Houston. Doesn't mean it's going to be exactly that strong at this time, but this just gives us a good idea of when the strongest winds are going to occur, where we have these purple colors. So really through about noon, strong, at least tropical storm force wind gusts will be felt over a large part of the area. Now, as we go later into the day, those strongest winds will start shifting north. Wind gusts may be closer to 30 by about 4 o'clock this afternoon for Houston. So the worst of this will be this morning, midday. It does improve in the afternoon, not only in terms of the wind, but also in terms of the rain. And that's what I want to show you next here on Futurecast. Notice the storm heading north. The center of it may be over I-10 right around 10 o'clock in the morning. Then we see everything shifting even farther north by the afternoon.